everybody, Crystal with CD Dents. I've got this beautiful black half-ton Silverado in-house, and today we're going to be working on tailgate damage and hood damage. What we've got here, guys, is an aluminum hood. You can see how something has hit on the body lines here, and this area needs to be worked along with this whole area. So essentially, we've got this section you can see, and then also this section you can see. You can really see where the pinched up lines were the shock and the aluminum, and the displacement in both body line sections that are damaged here in my line board. Okay guys, as you can see, I have this area that was pinched together, which is the shock of that damage on this side. I have that knocked out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start working this area here and utilizing a rolling technique to go ahead and start working that body line and this creased damage in that section.
Let's go.
See, I've got a lot of this area out. There is still a little bit of cleanup work that needs to be done, and it's a little bit shallow, but I'm gonna go ahead and move to this guy over here, and then I'll go ahead and finish my cleanup work. All right, I went ahead and got a tab on the left side of that body line. I'm gonna go ahead and shock out the bulk of that. Okay, so this is creased, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a crease tab and get some of that shallow out of that section. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and glue pull some of this shallow damage out here and get a lot of that pulled up. lines are back in place. We have that body line damage on this side and this body line damage on this side. Here's another angle. I'm very happy how this came out.